Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified. I'm Shaveen Bandarnayaka. Today, I'm launching the Law Simplified's comprehensive workshops. Over the past several years, I've had the opportunity of doing thousands of sessions with students all around the world, from the one-on-one masterclasses as well as the Udemy courses and these very videos on YouTube as well. Having conducted these sessions, I've understood the fundamental issues when it comes to theory as well as tackling problem and essay-based questions that students have, irrespective of the geographical location they're in or the level of study that they're currently pursuing. These workshops are a comprehensive way for you as a student to get a bird's eye picture of the subject that you're intending to take up an examination for, or for that matter, even an assignment submission. Have a look at the links in the description below and make sure you enroll in this live comprehensive workshop that will be conducted over a span of several months, depending on the type of study that you've undertaken, the submissions and the examinations that you might have. Reach out to me through the links in the description, as well as have a look at the platform that will appear on screen right now to make sure that you enroll in time for these live webinars or the workshops that we'll be conducting. But until the next time that we meet, have fun, stay safe, and as always, obey the law.